Okay, so these 3 pages on the screen contain the only data which you need to revise for the upcoming 72nd BPSC prelims examination, like as far as the census is concerned. So सबसे पहले we'll cover the India census, then we'll move towards the Bihar census. So सेंसस नंबर जो 2011 का सेंसस था, इट वाज द 15th सेंसस ऑफ इंडिया एंड द अपकमिंग वन ऑफ 2027 इज गोइंग टू बी द 16th. देन जो 2011 के सेंसस है उसमें टोटल पॉपुलेशन विच वाज रिकॉर्डेड वाज 121.09 करोड़. देन द डेकेडल ग्रोथ रेट वाज 17.64%. पॉपुलेशन डेंसिटी पूरे इंडिया में इट वाज 382 persons per kilometer square. Sex ratio was 943 females per 1000 males. Child sex ratio was 919. Literacy rate was 74.04%. Male literacy was 82.14%. Female literacy was 65.46%. Then the urban population was 31.16% and the remaining population was rural, that is 68.84%. If we look at the highest and lowest data, then literacy में the highest was Kerala with 94% literacy rate, lowest was Bihar with 61.8%. Sex ratio highest again Kerala 1084, then lowest Haryana 879. Population में highest was Uttar Pradesh and lowest was Sikkim. Population में highest was UP, second पे it was Maharashtra and in third it is Bihar. Then if you look at the census of Bihar, then population in 2011 was 10.41 crore. Rank by population, as I told above, after UP and Maharashtra it was third. Area 94,163 km per square and population density, this is a very very important fact which we need to remember. A question can directly appear from this point. So the population density was 1106 persons per kilometer square. India ka we just saw above, it was around 382 persons per kilometer square and Bihar ka it is 1106 persons per kilometer square. Decadal growth rate is 25.42, which is more than the national average. Then literacy rate is 61.80%, again very important. Male literacy 71.2, female literacy 51.5, and sex ratio of Bihar was 918. This question directly appeared in the 70th BPSC prelims exam. Like what is the sex ratio of Bihar as per the 2011 census? So it is 918. Child sex ratio is 935. Urban population in Bihar is very very less, it is 11.3% and rural population is 88.7%. Bihar comes third as far as the population is concerned after UP and Maharashtra. Then density, we are first among the states, we have a density of 1106 and literacy lowest among states and urbanization among the lowest in India. Now we can have look at the district wise highest and lowest data in Bihar. So population highest is in Patna, lowest is in Shekhpura. Literacy highest is in Rohtas, lowest is in Purnia, and sex ratio highest is in Gopalganj 1021 and lowest is in Munger 876. And population density wise Shivhar is the highest and Kaimur is the lowest. So we should remember the data, the difference here. Population wise Patna is highest, but if we talk about density, Shivhar is highest. It is a very small district and lowest population is in Shekhpura, but density wise it is Kaimur. So if we compare India versus Bihar, then literacy rate India का है 74.04% and Bihar is at 61.80%. Sex ratio India's का है 943 and Bihar has a sex ratio of 918. Density India की है 382, Bihar की 1106. Population, total population as per the 2011 census, in India it was 121 crore and in Bihar it was 10 crore. And decadal growth rate India का 17.64% and Bihar का 25.42%. And urban population, we have the data, India 31% and Bihar 11%.